In a world overtaken by chaos, where once vibrant cities stood proud, now lie in ruins, ravaged by the relentless onslaught of machines. Humanity finds itself on the brink of extinction, helpless against the merciless advance of robotic forces. Forced to flee from their homes, the last remnants of mankind cling to hope amidst the devastation, praying for salvation that seems increasingly out of reach. Mothers clutch their children, fathers shield their loved ones as they confront the cold, metallic invaders with trembling hands and quivering voices, their pleas for mercy drowned out by the deafening roar of destruction. But amidst the disorder and desolation, sparks of rebellion emerge. An outnumbered group of mortals resist the domination of their robotic rulers, vowing to contest till their final breath. With courage as their fortress and resolve as their weapon, they hold their ground against the onslaught of annihilation, cognizant that their battle is not solely for, but for the essence of mankind itself. In the face of odds, the unyielding spirit of humanity refuses to be smothered, a beacon of hope in the abyss of hopelessness. Even under the oppressive regime, where robots dictate commands to humans, a sliver of hope prevails. For even in the blackest of times, when all appears to be doomed, the ember of hope radiates intensely, a symbol that, as long as there are those prepared to resist, there will always be a possibility for a new era to ascend from the remnants of the old.